Good afternoon, students. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. And today we shall continue with our lesson, adverbs. We are going to learn adverbs. Today I have sent you the PPT and mind map. It is adverb actually. I have given you the key points to learn what are the parts of speech, and this is the part of speech, means the part of a sentence which tells us more about the verb, more about the action. Okay, how does the action take place? It tells us, these are the words which tells us, words which tell us more about the verb, means more about the action. Like the girl sang sweetly. He ran fast. Okay. So fast, sweetly, we children. Danced, happy. So these are the words which are telling us more about the verbs, isn't it? These words tell us more about the verb. Happily, fast, sweetly. Another example. Yesterday, I went to market. Okay. Yesterday I went to market. So all these examples, they tell us more about a verb. Okay. And therefore they are called the adverbs. So write the definition. I have sent you the PPT also. And these are the words, as I told you, that tell us more about the verbs. So write its definition. The words which tell us more about. Children, keep quiet. More about the verbs or adjectives or adverbs. Okay? Or in easy language, you can write an easy definition of this, that these adverbs, have you written the children?
मम्मी मैम इंग्लिश पढ़ा रही है तो हमको नोट करना है क्या? ये
इंग्लिश क्यों पढ़ाने लगी? तुम्हें इंग्लिश की क्लास तो हो गई ना?
हाँ, तो मैम का एडजस्टमेंट है तो मैम इंग्लिश पढ़ा रही।
एडजस्टमेंट कैसे लगते तुम्हारे? छोड़ देना क्लास।
No, it is not any adjustment. This is regular class. And all of you keep quiet. Students, mute your mic.
मैम आज हमारी मैथ्स की क्लास क्यों नहीं हुई?
That I don't
Yes,
know, but
ma'am.
this is your English class, and all of you keep quiet. Learn how to sit in the class. Okay? So, these adverbs tell us stop making any noise. Adverbs tell us more about verbs. Means how, when, where, and how many times.
Yes.
Okay. Something is how many times something is done. Okay. So these words tell us that how an action is done, or as I gave you one example that this boy ran fast. Fast क्या बताता है? How was the boy running? Okay. Then if I say I will watch a movie, I will watch a movie at the weekend पर क्या है? I will watch a movie at the weekend. Means Saturday, Sunday, I will be watching a movie. So at the weekend is showing the time when. I gave you one example. Yesterday I went to market. So all these sentences, these words are the example of adverbs. Okay. Now some other things. We visit our hometown very often. Very often. अक्सर हम जाते हैं. कितनी बार? Very often. So these are the words which tell us how, when, where, and how many times. Yeah. Take one more example. My father goes to temple twice a day. My father goes to temple twice a day. Means दिन में 2 बार. My father goes to temple twice a day. Twice means frequency. How many times? So these words that tell us the type of action. How does the action take place? It tells us, these words tell us more about the verb. They tell us more about the action. We call them adverbs. Okay? We call them adverbs. They give the answers to the questions when, how, where, and how many times. One more example. The function was held at the stadium. Okay. The function was held at the stadium. It means this at the stadium is the word giving to the answer of the question where. Okay.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Tell me. Okay.
Ma'am, twice a day is a frequency.
Twice, as I gave you one example, twice a day, it is the example of frequency. How many times? It gives the answer to the frequency. You may ask your question at the end of the session when I tell you. Till then, keep quiet. Okay? He left the place hurriedly. He left the place hurriedly. It is the manner how he left the place. How did he leave the place? He left the place hurriedly. Then the next example is fourth example. These are several examples to make your concept clear that what is an adverb. It should be clear to you. She danced nicely. This is the way how she danced. Okay. How did she dance? She danced nicely. Some more examples can be taken. We went.
मैम ये वाला चैप्टर में ममता मिश्रा मैम ने पूरा पढ़ा दिया था.
Okay, still you can revise them. Means
Okay, ma'am.
manner, all these things have been taught to you. Types, manner, place, frequency. Exercises, have you solved the exercises?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, these adverbs are of four types. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of frequency. Okay, adverb of manner gives the answer to the question how. How is any action done? Okay. Adverb of place gives the question, answer to the question where. Adverb of time gives the answer to the question when. And adverb of frequency gives the answer to the question how often. Okay. Then there are certain other types of adverbs which we call them comparative and superlative forms. comparative and superlative forms of the adverbs. As I told you, first example you can see in exercise number 1 on page number 102. 102. Come to this page number. My parents are the most happily. And remember, when we use most, we use the before me. Okay? Most के पहले the लगता है. My parents are the most happily married couple I have seen. Then people envy
Ma'am,
each
please
other.
side.
People easily. We will write. Have you noted them down? Okay. Now, in people easily, in second example means we. People easily, then she is an absolutely fun because N is there. So we have to find out they can absolutely fantastic. In C sentence, absolutely fantastic. Okay. In D sentence, this part of the city is planned than the rest. When than is used in the sentence, then A means comparative degree. And if the is used, we use superlative degree. So here in this sentence, then planned than the rest,
Ma'am, the blackboard is not clear.
more neatly.
मैम ब्लैकबोर्ड ढंग से नहीं दिख रहा.
I will send you the picture. Okay?
ओके मैम.
Then you can find designed houses here. So the most beautifully. E is the most beautifully designed houses here. Then F, the passengers survived miraculously. Okay? Then the next one is G. She danced gracefully because there is no comparison. G. Gracefully. H. He swims the fastest because the is given and we have to write fastest. And I. As I told you, wherever the is written, we have to write he is the most talented athlete of our school. Most talented. He is the most talented athlete of our school. Okay? So this way, so I hope you have understood it. Okay.